Hello guys, in this video I will show how to fix slow copy speed on Windows 11. So you can try this method. First method, search services, open services, here guys you need to find out optimize driver, this one, double click on it, startup type, select automatic, then click on OK. It's the first method. Second method, click on this search and search turn Windows features on or off. So search here, turn Windows feature on or off. And here guys, find out this RDC API support. So you need to find out this remote differential comparison API support. If it's selected, so unselect, then click on OK. Then click on OK and complete the process. Third method, click on Start, search CMD, run as administrator. Now here guys, you have to copy command line. This is the first command. Copy and paste here, or you can type net sh space int space tcp space sat space global space auto tuning level equal disabled, then press enter. And guys, I will give you second command line also if you want to go back to normal. So similar command, different is in the last you will see this equal normal. So copy and paste here, press enter. Now exit and restart your system. So these are methods guys you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment and this method work for you.